What's great about Luminess is that there isn't a lot of evident makeup. No one's ever going to say, oh, your makeup. They're going to say, you look great.
Luminess has been around for 25 years. We started in the airbrush space with our legendary airbrush systems and advanced airbrush foundations, and have become leaders in achieving and maintaining a more beautiful, flawless complexion. We have since broadened our premium formulations to include our luxurious liquid foundations and skin perfecting serums, all designed to bring out your most magnificent complexion. Less is more with Luminess. We use the finest ingredients for premium formulations in all of our products. A little goes a long way. Every Luminess formulation is designed so every drop helps to enhance, improve, and always reveal that stunning complexion that will turn heads.
Airbrushing with Luminess is something that really anyone can do. When the foundation's on my skin, I don't feel weight. I don't feel heaviness. I just feel flawless. We want our skin to look healthy. We want our skin to be healthy. That's where Luminess comes in. They have such great skincare benefits. This formula is a 4-in-1, so it makes it really easy for you. You have your serum, your moisturizing primer, your concealer, and your foundation all in one. This 4-in-1 foundation has more pigments, so you get more coverage, but still that lightweight formula that feels so great on the skin and looks so great. Luminess is the #1 airbrush brand in America.
Our luxurious liquid foundations are designed with shades for every skin tone. It has a beautiful, velvety texture and leaves that pristine, flawless look of airbrush to your complexion instantly. Our skin-perfecting serums drink into the skin, helping to mattify and smooth out the complexion, whether you're wearing makeup or not. Luminess is disrupting conventional beauty with unconventional innovation that delivers a flawless